Website. Donate. Picnic.
I went to Melbourne, Australia, and visited Noor, who created this amazing website. Noor told me all about why she started the website and how it helps people.
The website is a place where people share helpful links about nature, like hiking paths and picnic spots.
That sounds so useful. I love keeping fit, and spending time in nature is the best.
We also share blog posts about tips for keeping nature clean. It's about saving our planet. It's about saving our planet. There's a link where you can donate to help plant trees. It's an easy way to make a big difference.
I looked at the site, and it's full of great stuff. Noor has really thought of everything for nature lovers.
People from all over Australia use the website. We even have links to events, like cleanup days in parks.
I'd love to go back and join a cleanup event. Noor's website makes taking care of nature fun. Thanks for listening to Bee's Adventures. See you soon.
It'll be perfect for conversations with your coworkers. So these phrases are a bit more formal and just more appropriate at work. The first one is, when would be the best time for? At the end you can attach for a meeting, for a call, for a lunch. This is a very respectful way to ask to see what their schedule is like for the day so that you can schedule a meeting or a call or lunch. The second one is, let's say that you want to go get lunch with someone because you don't want to eat alone. This would be a good way to ask, and that is, do you want to grab something to eat later? So this doesn't have to be lunch. This can be just for coffee or for a little snack. Instead of just asking, hey, do you want to get lunch? This is, another way to word it. The third one is kind of appropriate for a time like this when we're in a pandemic and a lot of people are working from home. Another way to word working from home or away from office would be to say that you're working remotely. So the third phrase is, I'll be working remotely tomorrow. This just means that you're not going to be in office. The fourth one would be a good one to add into your conversation with your boss or someone higher than you. When you need some kind of confirmation, you need it done, but you don't want to sound rude, you can say, could you please review and confirm? Could you please review and confirm? The last one I prepared for this video is there anything I can help you with? Is there anything I can help you with? This is just a nice suggestion when you see someone struggling, or if you think that someone's having a very busy day and you don't have a busy day, you can always offer them a hand by asking, is there anything I can help you with? Alright, to wrap this video up, here are the phrases that we talked about today. When would be the best time for lunch? When would be the best time for a meeting? Do you want to grab something to eat later? Do you want to grab something to eat later? I'll be working remotely tomorrow. I'll be working remotely next week. Could you please review and confirm? Could you please review and confirm? Is there anything I can help you with? Is there anything I can help you with?
Come on, let's head back down. At least the hot pot's over.
I want to take a look at those storm clouds.
God!
Looks like it's closing in fast. We're all gonna die! All right,
Come on, let's head back down.
Looks like Naughty Boy is playing 50 Shades of Sick. What's your problem?
I'm just hanging out for you. Just hanging out for you. Just hanging out for you.
No, you're smothering me. Ever since that phone call this morning, all of the extra patience, the lab, and all of the covering.
I'm being responsible.
I'm not your responsibility.
I want to buy something for you.
Let's go shopping.
I want to buy something for you.
I want to buy something for you. Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
There is a big pharmacy.
I want to buy something for you.
I want to buy something for you. There is a big pharmacy. Let's go to the market. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
I want to buy something for you.
I want to buy something for you. There is a big pharmacy. Let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. There is a big pharmacy.
There are many people.
Let's go shopping. There are many people. There are many people. There are many people. Let's go to the market. There are many people.
There are many people.
There are many people. I'll have my secretary send them to you. I look forward to seeing you. How can I get in touch with you? Here's my number. Colleague. It would be nice. Offer means a thing said or done to help or give something to someone. Colleague means a person you work with in the same company or organization. Your dash means a lot to me. Off. Familiarizing means learning about something so you understand it well. Offer. I dash still familiarizing myself. Learning. Happy. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. I am happy dash meet you. For. To. Hi there. Today we will explore prepositions and their different types. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. These include prepositions of place, time, and movement. Let's begin with prepositions of place. These tell us where something is situated. Examples include on, in, and behind. For instance, the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Let's practice with an example. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Let's dive into prepositions of time. Prepositions of time indicate when something happens. Examples include at, before, and since. For instance, towards, across, and out of. Across the river.